Hello, today we will be doing an interesting DIY out of this waste plastic PET bottle. I have cleaned thoroughly and have painted with dark blue. You can as well paint with black. So now on this PET bottle we will be doing a stippling technique. So I have taken a small circle and I am placing the circle on a bottle and just putting the dots around it so that I will get a correct shape of a circle. So after placing the dot with the color pencil, you can also take a chalk also. Anything you can use. I just removed. Now I am taking acrylic paint of any color. So for this technique I am using a cotton bud and I just dipped in pink acrylic color and I am just placing the dots over the circle, like over the circle where I have placed small dots, so that I will get a complete perfect circle. So this way I will be placing the dot on the circle, and always keep in mind that the bottle, once the bottle is painted, you leave for a day so that it will not stick to your hands, and the next day you can do this stippling activity. The stippling activity is also known as the pointillism. Okay, this way I have completed one circle. Now you can take light colors because the background is blue, dark blue. Now I have taken a yellow and I am placing some dots inside the circle, same using the different cotton bud. So now the yellow circle is also completed. Now see, using the same cotton bud, I will be placing the dots around the pink circle. So you can have a perfect circle. So just placing next to the pink dots. This way, and you should be very careful while placing the dots, as it should not spread to the next dots. So take little enough paint and just place a dot firmly. So this way you will be completing the one more circle around the pink circle. I have used the acrylic colors. Now the yellow circle is completed. Now I will be taking the red color and a different cotton bud. So since it is a bottle, so you should be very careful while holding the bottle, as now I am placing the dots inside the yellow circle, red color dots. So the dot should not be touching each other, it should be separate. Okay, this way I have completed a circle inside the yellow circle. Now I will be taking a white pearl color and just I will be placing the dot in the center of the circle, that is in between the red dots. So this way you can have a beautiful design. So this is a basic simple design where it is easy by placing a small circle on the bottle to have a perfect shape, and then you can follow the dots. So similarly, I have taken the red and I have placed slantingly the dots, leaving two dots in middle. So each, after leaving each yellow dot, I have just placed the red dots. Then next to red I am using the purple and I am placing the dots. So it will be one red line, one sequence of purple dots, then white, the pearl white, so like a sun. So similarly you can complete the whole bottle. So, and try to use different cotton buds for different colors. Now the bottle is completed. Now there are some places left, so there you can fill the with dots with yellow color. Okay, just I have placed the yellow dots wherever the gaps are there. So now it is completed. So now the entire design is done, followed by red, yellow and purple and pearl white like a sun. If you want, you can complete the entire bottle. So there is a space left behind the bottle, so you can as well complete it fully, or you can do a simple design. Okay, in this gap you can do a simple design. So what I did was I just took yellow acrylic color and I have just placed the dots very closely, and over it I have used the red color dots placed on it. Then I have drawn a stem using a green, and then I just used a pearl white over it, because as the bottle is very dark in color, so I just gave a pearl effect on the stem. So this is how it is. So a simple design. So if you want, you can leave the other side of the bottle plain, otherwise you can